How to apply to be a Canva creator. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply to become a Canva creator. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. In the web browser, go to the search bar on the top and type in Canva Creator. After that, a link will appear that will say Canva Creator. Tap on it and select the option Become a Creator. Click on the option Apply at the bottom. This will bring up this kind of page. Select your method for login or sign up. There are different methods which you can use. There's Google, email, Apple, Facebook, or you can continue with another way. I'm just gonna select continue with Google. Now you need to fill out this form according to your preferences. You can follow the prompts by reading the instructions. Make sure to select everything that defines you. Now select if you are a beginner, mid-level or expert. Simply follow all these prompts to complete the form. After that, fill out this quick form. Then you will need to click Submit at the bottom. Once submitted, they will review your form and get back to you. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.